Welcome, beautiful souls. Welcome to my channel Healings Valley. I am a certified healer dedicated to helping you release trapped emotions, restore balance, and embrace a life of emotional freedom. Emotions are powerful energy forces, and when they become trapped in our subconscious mind and body, they can manifest as stress, anxiety, self-doubt, and even physical discomfort. But the good news is you have the power to heal. Through this journey, I will guide you with simple yet effective techniques to help you acknowledge, release, and transform these emotions into positive energy. Whether you're seeking peace, clarity, or emotional well-being, you're in the right place. Releasing trapped emotions is a powerful way to achieve emotional freedom, improve mental well-being, and restore balance in life. Life is a beautiful journey, but along the way, we all encounter experiences that leave emotional imprints on us. The good news is that you have the power to release these trapped emotions and restore balance, peace, and joy in your life. This guide will walk you through a step-by-step process to help you free yourself from emotional burdens and step into a life of emotional well-being and self-empowerment. Step 1. Acknowledge your emotions. First step to releasing trapped emotions is awareness. Take a moment to reflect on how you're feeling. Are there patterns of anxiety, sadness, or anger that keep resurfacing? By acknowledging them without judgment, you begin the healing process. Step 2. Identify the root cause. Every trapped emotion has an origin. It may stem from childhood, a past relationship, or a traumatic event. Understanding the source helps you gain clarity. Step 3. Forgiveness and self-compassion. Holding on to resentment or guilt keeps emotions trapped. Forgiveness is not about excusing others, it's about freeing yourself. Replace negative emotions with positive energy. Once you release old emotions, fill that space with positivity and love. Speak positive affirmations. I am free. I am at peace. I am emotionally healed. Every step you take towards emotional freedom brings you closer to a life of peace, joy, and balance. You are worthy of healing, and you are never alone in this process. If you're experiencing any emotional or physical symptoms related to trapped emotions, don't hesitate to reach out. Book your session today. Call us 17867537535. WhatsApp +61 777 11684. Or visit our website www.healingsvalley.com.